What's going on, guys? It's Colton from Jaitokes. Welcome to a brand new video. So today we have an Ooze collab. We have the box here. Let's go ahead and unbox it here for you guys. Looks like we have the Twist Hot Knife Lucky Gold kit. Looks like it's also a 510 thread battery, flex temp battery. Pretty fancy looking, to be honest. And then we have the Ooze Electro barrel e-rig to try out today. And it looks like we have a 5-pack of their replacement onyx atomizers here. A 5-pack is kind of crazy. I feel like I've only had like 1 or 2 that they throw in with the package. But man, a 5-pack's gonna last you a while for sure. And then it looks like we just have a couple keychains. Or no, this one's a pin actually. Looks pretty cool. Little cloud there, and we've got a planet, which is honestly on theme with Jaitokes. I mean, I dig it for sure. So let's go ahead and check out the main attraction here. Looks like it has flex temp, onyx atomizer, safe sesh, pass-through charging, warranty program, and sesh mode. 3 different voltage settings. Looks like we have 2.7, 3.2, and 3.7. But man, I think we're ready to pop this thing open. So it looks like there's a little tab here on the side. Flips up. Let's go ahead and get the reveal. Oh, and it looks like it actually comes with two atomizers already. This one was already just kind of loose in the package, but yeah, you can see the other. Man, that's pretty sweet. And I'm guessing there's one that's already loaded into the e-rig. So I mean, dude, you are set for atomizers with this. So then we have the quick start guide here. I really like this packaging. Pull glass chamber straight down and fill halfway. Push firmly into rubber stopper to create seal. Lift the lid and load your extract into the onyx atomizer. Press the button 5 times. Press the button 3 times to change voltage. And it looks like that's about it, dude. This tiny little thing is gonna rip some dabs apparently. We have the accessory box down here on the bottom. We've got a USB-C charger, really nice that it's USB-C. And I'm guessing these are the cotton swabs. Kind of weird packaging, but I feel like that's the only thing that could be in this. So it says to pull the glass chamber straight down. Ooh, pops out just like that. And let's go ahead and fill this halfway with some purified water. Now you just push this firmly up into the rubber here. Just to create a nice seal. Make sure it works. That's such a classic sound. I mean, I used to just rip a bubbler back in the day, and that sound and this feeling and really bringing back some memories. All right, so then we just lift this lid here, and then your atomizer is going to be right down in here. Looks like it does not come pre-installed, so that means you are going to have to use one of your extra ones here. And so to actually put the atomizer into the device, you just pop it right into the hole here. Press down until it kind of snaps in, and then you just want to turn it slowly until it's no longer loose in the unit here. All right, so now we have the dab device all set up here. Let's go ahead and pop open their Twist Hot Knife. And once again, we have a USB-C charger, and here she is, man. This is actually a decent unit, dude. This is my older hot knife. But this also does 510 thread. It's also replaceable on the tip. You've got the different voltage settings here on the bottom. I guess I'll just be keeping it on the lowest, the 2.0. We'll see how that does. The dabs that we're going to be taking in today's video is from Lucky Elk THCA. We have their breadwinner, which is my favorite out of the ones that I've tried from them. Just some super funky GMO tasting rosin, man. Just right up my alley. Super garlicky. So I'm just gonna grab a decent scoop. Here's a look at the rosin. Super nice, man. I'm gonna get a decent scoop here to start us out. Decent little dab here. And then I am going to flip the top here. And I'm just gonna drop this right onto the onyx atomizer. Make sure I don't miss. It's actually a pretty small little atomizer here. Yep, almost melted off just like that. Beautiful. And now that we are all ready to go, I do need to do one more thing, which is give a huge shout out to the Tokie community. So we now have Ramster, Brandon ADK, Political Refugee, VA, Dripman, Mike Wyatt, Hoshi127, Mason, Luke Turner, Ganja Gramps, and KGIX. And Luke Turner, Ganja Gramps, and KGIX are the 3 brand new members to the channel. Thank you so much for joining up, guys. But not only are they new members, but Ganja Gramps is a Toke Lord, and KGIX is our very first Toke God. Please welcome in your brand new members to the channel down in the comments below, man. Get a discussion going down there. I'll be down there. Thank you all for the continued support, man. And then we have the Patreon. We have Hoshi127 and Eric still holding it down for the 2 spots on the Patreon. Thank you so much for the continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. All right, so it is dab time, everybody. I've got the nice juicy dab loaded right into the atomizer. Gonna close the lid. 5 clicks turns it on. Looks like we are on the blue setting. Looks like the blue setting is right in the middle, so I'm just gonna try to put it down to the green setting. 3 clicks. Maybe. Did I turn it off again? All right, it's blue, red, green. There we go. All right, so the green is the lowest temperature, coming in at 2.7 voltage. All right, and then I'm just going to press this 2 times. Turns into a Sesh mode, so it is actively heating inside there on the atomizer. Let's go ahead and try out the Ooze Electro barrel, everybody. Cheers, guys. Gonna try out the blue setting here. I don't really know how to hold this thing. It's kind of awkward in the hands, honestly, because I don't know if like I really like the bubbler effect here, so I'm trying to like keep my hands out of the way, but then I'm like I don't know what to do with my hands, guys. Alright, so let's go ahead and finish out this dab on the red setting and see if it gets hot at all. I'm really not feeling any heat on this thing, which is really surprising. Alright, and then after each dab, I am just going to grab one of their Q-tips here. There's some interesting looking almost smells like alcohol. I wonder if they're like, yeah, dude, they're pre-moistened with alcohol. Dude, there's no way. Just gonna clean the device here right onto the atomizer. You definitely want to make sure that you do a full clean each time. Definitely just get these holes here because there was some reclaim on here already just from the first dab. You definitely want to keep all of your devices clean. You do not want to let them get all gunked up. Alright, so we are all clean and we are ready for another dab. So for this one, we have the papaya melons from Lucky Elk. Gonna pop it open here. Some super fruity melony terps on this one. Absolute quality just coming out of there, man. Cannot recommend them enough. Alright, once again, we have their hot knife. We are gonna go a little bit bigger this time, and we're gonna start out hotter. We are really gonna put this thing to the test. We have a decent dab, you know, nothing too crazy, but definitely a little bigger for me. And oh god, dude, I hope this fits in. I'm just gonna drop this right onto the atomizer. Yep, we're good. It is in. You can see my giant dab down in there, dude, just waiting for me. I'm gonna close the lid. We're gonna start out on the blue setting this time. 2 clicks onto the Sesh mode. Cheers, guys. Ooh, yeah, dude. The red might be a little too hot. It doesn't make like the like holding it feel hot, but man, that taste was definitely a lot more burnt than the previous temperatures. Yeah, dude, the Ooze barrel definitely works. I mean, is it a high-end device? Definitely not, but it definitely holds its own for the price. If you're looking for something super convenient on the go, this isn't gonna be my go-to device, but man, if I'm just looking for a nice convenient dab on the go, it would be kind of cool if they had like a carrying case or something, which I mean they might have to check their website, but yeah, dude, you can definitely get some decently tasty dabs off of this thing. As far as aesthetics go, I mean, it's definitely not your prettiest device, but it's simple, which I do like. It's not over the top like, hey, that man's smoking drugs over there. I feel like it's pretty discreet. Thank you so much, Ooze, for making this video possible, man. You have a really handy device on your hands, and I can't wait to see what else you guys come out with. And thank you so much to you for watching this video all the way through to the end. I would love to see you join up on the Discord if you'd like to join up on the conversation over there. I'll have a link down in my link tree in the pinned comments below. Thank you so much for chilling with me, and I will see you guys in the next one.